up, my YT homies? This is Salifia, and I am coming in at you with another video. And this video, I am going to show you my, it's heavy, BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe box. I think this would be a good thumbnail, don't you? So anyway, in this video, I'm going to show you my BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe box. And I got this box probably about 2 weeks ago, but I'm just not getting the chance to share it with you all. I don't normally share my BoxyCharm boxes because, well, I don't know. I stopped sharing them. I used to share them. I stopped sharing them. And so now I want to share this one. But anyway, some of the things in this box are the same as the regular box. And I know that because my mom gets the regular box. I get the regular box. Let me tell you about the BoxyLuxe, okay? So basically the BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box, but now they have a new thing where every quarter you get like a deluxe box. So you pay the regular price and then they'll take an additional like $28 or something. So this was like $50, pretty much 28. Yeah, $50 for this box because they took the regular payment and then an additional payment. But this box is valued at I'm not sure. Let's see. And then there's a card in here. Let me show you the card. It's much bigger than the regular BoxyCharm card that comes in the other box, of course, because it's a bigger box. And inside, tis the sea sun BoxyLuxe. Okay, I guess that's what they say. Tis the sea sun. Seas. Duh. Okay. C as in C and sun as in S-U-N. And this box, I'm not sure how much this box is valued at, but there are prices for each individual item in here. Now, what I didn't know is that with the BoxyLuxe, you get to choose between some items, and I didn't know that because I wasn't really paying attention to my emails. But I watched, I think her name is Lala, her video where she was saying how you get to choose, you got to choose the color of one of the items or something. But anyway, with that being said, let me stop rambling and go on. So, but this is, once I opened the box and I took the little thing off of it, and then I open this up and then you can see some things in there. So let's go. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is this body wash infused buffer. So this is just a sponge thingamajig, and I have opened this box. Let me tell y'all that this is a sponge thingamajig that is already pre-filled with soap. And this retails for how much? How much does this retail for? I'm going to try to tell you how much everything retails for. $20. It says that this retails for $20. Alright, and then the next thing I'm going to pull out are some, this says It's a Girl's World, and these are flat irons. It's some mini flat irons, and this was in the regular box. Now, the sponge thing wasn't in my mom's box. It might have been in some of the other ones because they have 2 different regular boxes that came out this month. And so my mom did get the flat irons, but she got a different color from the ones that were in mine. So it's in this Velcro enclosed thing. And the color that I have, I don't even remember. Yeah. It's like this blue type color. And I was actually kind of excited, even though I don't flat iron my hair that much. I was actually kind of excited about these coming in here because I had some mini flat irons before, and I think my daughter did something with them. I can't remember. I'm not sure. All I know is I can't find them. And these flat irons, let's see, how much do they, the mini hair straightener, this thing says the manufacturer suggested retail price of $75. There's no way I would buy these. Who are they by? PYT or something? I don't know. But there's no way I would pay $75 for those. The next thing that I'm going to pull out is a bag. And it is a little makeup type bag. Glam AF. And inside it, and I saw it, and I probably won't ever use it. This is a portable connector. You can connect multiple devices to this so that they can charge. It has like a USB cord. Not USB. Yeah, it has a cord with it. But anyway, and this little bag, what is the retail on this? Wristlet and portable charger, $22. And then the next thing I'm taking out would be the blush and highlighter palette. The Wanderer's Dusk to Dawn. And, oh, I'm sorry, this is the box that it came in, and the little palette has a mirror on there as well, blind you out, but that's what the colors look like. And they are Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. We used to have a club here called City Lights back in the day. I snuck in there before I was 21. Let's not tell anyone, okay? Highlight palette, $26. Alright, and so then the next thing that I'm going to pull out is a Luxie blush. A Luxie complete face set. So this is a set of brushes, Luxie brushes. So I guess BoxyCharm has a partnership with Luxie because I've seen Luxie brushes in there many times. And this face set, this brush set retails for $65. And the next, oh my gosh, Elements. I forgot. Elements Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I love Elements products. I've gotten them before from Influenster, and the products that I did get were like, I really like them. So this is like a full-size face cream. So yeah, I'm not going to open that up. But let's see, what is the retail on this? $89. And I definitely can believe that because Elements has some high... They have some high sugar honey iced tea products. Yes, they do. And then the next thing is these Grand Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. So this is a mascara. And who is this mascara by? This mascara is by... I mean, it retails for $25. And then there is a Tarte's Shimmering Lip Paint. Let's see what color this is. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is like a lip gloss. It has some shimmer in it. Yes, like a pink shimmer color. So I'm always looking for a good lip gloss. So yes, I appreciate this. I appreciate all of the items. Let me tell you that. I think I'm going to get some good use out of everything I have. And this glitter lip paint retails for $20. And of course you can believe that because it's what? Tarte. And then the last item I have in this box, and I am definitely excited about getting this. And this item retails for $45. And it is the Violet Voss Holy Grail. It says hashtag my Holy Grail palette. I don't have, well now I do. I've never purchased anything from Violet Voss. So I definitely am excited to try this palette out. So let's see. Oh yeah, I've opened it, but yeah. Nice palette. It has some shimmers in it. It has some nice warm, it's a type of, pretty much is a neutral palette. So I'm putting it upside down so you can kind of see it. And it does have the names on. Alright, so that is it for that box. Am I excited about the items that I got in the box? Yes. Am I pleased with the box? Yes. Am I going to continue getting the deluxe box? Yes, I am. Yes, yes, and yes. Why am I doing my hands like this? Tell me. Okay, anyway, so that is it. My next video probably will be a haul video because I still have some things I need to haul. I got to get some things out of the way. Got a lot going on. So, yes. So, yeah, for now, that is it. Today is December the 21st. And it's the last day and we are out for the Christmas break. Yes, big head bounce. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here on this rainy day and go to work. I hope you all have a great happy holiday season if I don't come back in before Christmas, because I don't know whether this video is going up Sunday or not. It probably is. But anyway, I hope you all have a blessed and great holiday season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. Wait, I have another video before New Year. Anyway, I'ma holler at you. Peace out. Deuces. And I'll catch you on the flip side. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good jazz. And I know my outro is all over the place, but it's okay. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.